Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Microsoft 365 user, it seems that some outages and some problems are there if you're trying to connect to any of the Microsoft services and using different options that require connections to servers. There is some disruption happening. The worst was mostly a few hours ago, but still a lot of people are reporting some issues. It seems that the business side is a lot more affected than the standard users of Microsoft 365 services. But it is a pretty big outage, and it affects pretty much everybody around the world. So it depends what you do. There are things that you do that probably work fine, but there are things that could be a problem. Another one that is a problem that's been noted is OneDrive. OneDrive's been having some issues. So that means that if you were saving or syncing OneDrive and it didn't seem to work, or does not seem to work still, you're probably part of that problem with the Microsoft 365 and also Azure cloud services that are just not working right. Although Microsoft says it is now improving and should be getting better and better as the day progresses. So, after that CrowdStrike problem, now it's Microsoft 365 itself that has tons of problems for some of the users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.